I'm Jason Dugas. I'm the registrar at the University of Virginia School of Law, and I'm going to talk to you a bit about how flex exams work. The first place to look is the exam calendar. It's available on LawWeb, and when you look at it, you'll see that there are about 17 flex exam distribution slots. The AM slot from 8:30 to 9:30, or the PM slot from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. The first limitation I would say is you do have to pick them up during those slots. The second limitation I want to point out is that exams that are longer than 4 hours, whether it's because the professor is giving you an exam longer than 4 hours or because you have that much time due to an accommodation, you must take that exam in an AM flex slot. So let's talk about what happens on the day of the exam. You're going to come to the law school and get set up in one of the designated exam rooms. The exam rooms designated for exams are in Withers-Brown Hall, the lecture rooms, and in Slaughter Hall, the lecture rooms. You can't take an exam in seminar rooms, in the library, in journal offices, or any of the other spaces in the building. So once you're ready to get the exam, you're going to come to the exam table in Withers-Brown Hall, bring your ID, and you're going to scan your ID for the staff member and tell them which exam you're there to take. They're going to scan the exam out for you, and that's going to start the clock for your exam, and it's going to also issue a receipt with 3 times on it. The first time is the time to stop writing the exam. The second time is the time you have to upload your exam to Expo. And the third is the time to return the questions back to the exam table. During the exam, I encourage you to save your work often. I also encourage you, if you encounter computing problems, to go to the computing staff in Withers-Brown Hall. They can help you. They can also stop time on your exam. So I discourage you from trying to resolve it on your own while you're taking the exam, and go right to them and they can help you. Be sure to write your blind grading number on the top of your exam question set and not to identify yourself. If there are any multiple choice questions, you're going to record your answers directly in Expo. There will be radio buttons identified there. When you're done, you've drafted your answers and you've uploaded it to Expo, you want to return the questions to the exam table in Withers-Brown Hall. We can't print out the exam for grading until we get the question set back. So I hope this video has been helpful for you in understanding how the flex exam process works. Of course, we're available in student records or in student affairs if you have any questions or concerns. And we wish you the very best of luck.